How can I extend a USB 3.0 signal by 100 meters using a single Cat6e double-shielded Ethernet cable, and expand it to 4 USB 3.0 ports at the receiving end? Only a USB to Ethernet extender UE001 is needed. Transmitter, power interface, power indicator light, power supply selection switch (PWR), powered by 12V DC adapter (SRC), powered via Type-C. USB 3.0 input interface, USB signal indicator light, operation indicator light, RS-232 transmitter interface, FSYNC, synchronization signal control terminal, Ethernet port, receiver, power interface, USB 3.0 interface, device indicator light illuminates when connected, Ethernet port, operation indicator light, RS-232 receiver interface, FSYNC, synchronization signal receiving terminal, power indicator light. Yellow light on, transmitter and receiver are successfully connected. Green light blinking, transmitter is connected to a USB 2.0 interface. Green light steady, transmitter is connected to a USB 3.0 interface. Connection steps. Connect the host's USB port. Connect the Ethernet cable. Connect the power supply. This will allow it to work normally.